G'day! Today I want to share with you some tips on how to easily look at and navigate your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Let's go. First of all, activate your calendar. So that might mean clicking on your calendar icon over here in the navigation pane. And your calendar is now displayed. From the top here, you can click on a day, week, month, etc. to display your calendar. But here's some really handy tips that you need to know. Let's click on the day view. If I want to show on the screen just some other dates, let's have a look at what we can do. I can hold down the control key and click on some random dates, and those random dates display on the screen as extra dates, making it really easy to compare information to work out availability. Another way that you can easily get, say, 3 days in a row is to click and drag on just 3 days in a row, and your calendar automatically changes to accommodate just those 3 days that you've selected. Additionally, dividing lines here enable you to drag down to show more dates, or the dividing line just here will also allow you to resize that so you can see more dates, making it much easier to work with your calendar.